In this video, I will show you how to allow only dates of a specific year in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have two columns, one for the amount and another for the transaction date. Now I want to create a validation that will only allow a specific year date, for example 2025. To do that, I will use the Excel year function. The year function returns the year of the specified date. For example, this year formula will return the year 2024 from the date 10th August 2024, and this year formula will return the year 2020 from the date 15th December 2020. Once I get the year from the date, I will compare it with the year I want, that is 2025. This comparison will return true if the year of the entered date matches with 2025 and false if it does not. Let's create a validation rule based on this. Select all the date cells, go to the Data tab and click the Data Validation icon to open up the Data Validation dialog box. Since we are going to create a custom rule, select the Custom option from the Allow drop-down menu. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the formula text box. Now we need to enter our validation formula that will return either true or false value depending upon the cell value. I will enter this formula that checks if the date entered by the user is of the year 2025 using the year function. I will pass the first cell in the range, that is cell C3, as an argument of the year function. Excel will automatically apply this validation formula to the rest of the cells in the selected range. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. Now, when I enter any date of the year 2025, it works fine. But if I enter a date of any other year like this, Excel will display an error message. The value doesn't match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell. I can press the retry button to edit the date or the cancel button to clear the entered value. We can also change the title and message of the error dialog box to make it clearer to users. To do that, select all the date cells again, click on the data menu and then click on the data validation icon. Now click on the error alert option at the top of the dialog box. Make sure that the show error alert after invalid data is entered checkbox is selected. I will type the invalid date text as the title and the please enter the date of year 2025 text as the error message. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. Now when we try to enter any invalid date in any of these cells, we will get the error dialog box with our custom title and message. To remove the data validation from these cells, select all the cells and then click on the data validation icon again. Now click the clear all button to reset all the date validation values we entered previously. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. Now these cells do not have any date validation restriction and we can enter any date value we want. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.